In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a splash animation in Canva. First things first, let's open your web browser and head over to the Canva website. If you're not already there, go ahead and search for Canva and click on the official site. Once you're on the site, you'll want to log in. So direct your eyes to the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Give that a click. If you see an option to continue with your previous credentials, simply click it and select your account. Follow any additional prompts to log in, and you should now be looking at the Canva homepage. Now let's get creative. On your Canva homepage, locate and click on Home. This should present you with your existing projects. Select the project you want to work on, or create a new one if you prefer. With your project open, it's time to add some flair. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Elements. This is where all the fun starts. In the search bar provided, type Splatter Effect to find a variety of splash designs. Browse through the options and select the one that appeals to you most. After choosing a splatter effect, you'll likely want to resize it. Click on the element and drag the corners to fit your canvas size. Ensure that your element is perfectly centered to maintain balance in your design. Want to change things up a little? That's easy. Simply click on the element to see the color option appear. Here you can select a new color that better suits your project's theme. Click away and watch your element transform. Let's make our splash even more exciting by adding another element. Let's say a burger, for instance. Navigate back to Elements and search for a burger image. Once found, click on it to add it to your canvas. You might notice the background interfering with your design. No worries, click on Detach Image from Background to isolate the burger. To ensure it stands out, click on the burger, select Bring Forward, and it will layer on top. Resize the burger to your liking and center it appropriately. Now let's bring these elements to life with animation. Click on the burger, then on Animate, and choose the Stomp animation. For the splatter, click on it, then apply a Pop animation. To synchronize your elements, adjust the timing of each animation. Click on the timing option and adjust it so everything flows together seamlessly. Finally, preview your work by clicking the play button. Watch your creation come alive with a dynamic splash animation. There you have it, you've successfully created a splash animation in Canva. With these skills, you can add a creative touch to your presentations and engage your audience with visually stunning designs. Feel free to explore other features and keep experimenting to find what works best for your unique style. Until next time, happy designing.